Hey, it's Sammy on Monday, September 15th. If you missed us last week, we were hard at work, had our sleeves rolled up. We were neural programming the cortex for David and Goliath, our white label AI product. This thing is a beast. Let's see how it performed today in this tight range bound market. It was only about 170 points from high day to low day. So let's see these trades. You can see that light blue tracer up there. There's also VWAP, there's also pivot, there's also a 38.2 Fibonacci level. There's a ton of confluence. AI just saw that. It saw how price was behaving. Notice how it was just hanging out, threading up there. Finally, we got the data when it started to break down, and we're going to take it down to VWAP here. We're getting really close to the open. Let's see what happens. This is really crazy. It told me don't panic when it pulls back to 940, and it's exactly what it's doing, but we're going to hold on to this trade, and we got it set at break even anyway. Now we're going to trail this and take plus 36 because this is the open. So what happened at the open was price hit VWAP into 23.6. You can see that New York open line right there. It ran all the way up, fell back over off of pivot and all that other stuff up there. Now we're taking the short. All the data is realigning to the short side. Now this trade eventually did run down and hit yesterday's close, which was a powerful AI suggestion. However, I trailed this trade, so I ended up with plus 35. Still a great win. You can see we actually pushed down through yesterday's close or Friday's close. We also hit Friday's low, which meant we had a divergent double bottom off the low, almost off the low of day at that second deviation band. A lot of information here AI is working with. We took the reversal play, signature soda reversal. We're going to make 60 points on this. This is what I mean that we're stuck in a range. Look, we went up, popped that top there a little bit, and made another little high of day. So we're taking back over VWAP here. We're heading down. We're hitting this deviation band. We're just going to trail here for 30 points. The market is not dedicated anywhere in here to running any kind of trend right now. So we're going to lock in and run these real aggressive trailing stops. Look down to the left. You can see we chopped around and now the market's flipping back, going the other way through the open. VWAP is holding here. We're going to go up and see if we can't hit that 38.2, that pivot, all that information at the high of day. As we punch through pivot, we're going to go ahead and trail this with a plus 31 point win. So you can see we went up, pushed a new little high of day. AI about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours ago, was calling for 46,000. We have our take profit right at 45,999 at that 50 Fibonacci level. So we're back in this trade. We had a test of bull support, and we're running long now with just short time frame data. Notice these are not gigantic moves. We're still working within the confines of the day. And this trade is just going to keep blasting up and hit our take profit for 49 points.